everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Now they see this policeman, how his colleague say they harass him. First of all, you, if na true say you won't drink, no be say they set you up. Why you go drink? Na so na say they kill innocent people. Na so na say they attack innocent people, kill them for nothing. For me, as I look you are too calm to be drunk. For me, I look at like say your fellow police set you up. Yes, don't quote you for anywhere because Nigeria police fond of that thing. If person when they follow maybe like Iran, maybe person when does they follow one day that rank, they go set them up. Police people for Nigeria, they're too fond of that thing. They can set you up with anything. How you as a uniform and you carry phone say they record your fellow colleague? I be una dey give una self grooming for your fellow colleague. They drink for his coupon. You go tell us me stand up. Now wow. For me, my view, I know say una set this man up. Now I collect that rank. Police is not too full of that thing. No, una talk, no, una insult, I don't care. Una too full of that thing because Europe, where I dey, if policeman when go in sabi go in dey drink 3 days, if he come work they will discover am. You dey say abi you not they don't know if they don't already give you gun. How come in country when things for the work now discover and say this man a drunkard? Now discover and say this man a drunkard. How can a uniform man drink follow uniform carry camera because he wan use the evidence take collect that rank for him body? Quote me for anywhere. Yes, na wetin I talk. I no sugarcane talk. I talk am well. Yes. No, may I leave una make una watch the video.
Kai su kana nan jiya bai yi aiki ba, bai ya sha giya. Yau ma gashi nan ka gansa dai he's drunk. So tunda baya so aikin dan sanda, he wanted to be always drinking. He doesn't want to work. I don't know how managed the SO gave him this gunner. Was he drunk that time, or it was when he left, when he signed this gunner before he went and got drunk? Oh, he was drunk. Then why did you allow him to sign this gunner? You know that he's drunk. You refuse to default him. You refuse to let me know. So this will serve an evidence against him. I believe you can feel the smell. You can feel the smell of alcohol in him. Come and collect this your gunner. I don't know why you allow him to sign the gunner. Stand up and give us the cartridge. Stand up. Stand up now. Stand up. But I can touch money. Stand up now. So you gave him 2 cartridges. So Edie, you don't want the police job, Abi? No problem. Continue the habit of drinking. This will serve as an evidence against you, Abi. That is how you want it. That is how you want it. Oh. Huh? What? Go. Kai su kana nan jiya bai yi aiki ba, bai ya sha giya. Yau ma gashi nan ka gansa dai he's drunk.
May una hear this man part for here. He say he always like to drink. If they don't have Nigeria police, he say he always person una know say he always like to drink. Now they give her gun. If not be so na set him up. For me, now wetin I see be that.
When he signed this gunner before he went and got drunk. Oh, he was drunk. Then why did you allow him to sign this gunner? You know that he's drunk. You refuse to default him. You refuse to let me know.
hear this man. You
So
refuse
this
to
will
let me
serve an
know,
evidence
and you
against you.
just first talk
I
and say
believe
this man
you
like
can
to
you can
drink.
you can, you can
You
feel the smell.
dey Naija.
This one, you can feel the smell of alcohol in him. Come and collect this your gunner. I don't know why you allow him to sign the gunner. Stand up and give us the cartridge. Stand up, stand up. Stand up now. Stand up. Badaka Tashmani. Stand up now. So you gave him 2 cartridge. So Edie, you don't want the police job. Abi? No problem. Continue the habit of drinking. This will serve as an evidence against you. Abi? That is how you want it. That is how you want it.
Oh my people, this video one I about to watch, so touching. See this bike man, erosion just carry and go. Wow, God, God, God. And people, we stand, we dey shout, no rescue, nothing, nothing. What a country. Nigeria, my country. Wow, I beg God. God, give us good leader. God, give us good leader. We need good leader for this country. Look everywhere, erosion, no security. That is people when they rescue people. If na country when something they work, when things they work, just say this man, you go back na this man, that bike no be him bike. He no wan leave that bike, make that bike go, bike go, because he know say debt dey hold it dey. But my brother, no be debt, no be money person dey pursue. You fit pursue rescue your head before the bike when you dey pursue. Which kind life be this? I'll leave na make una see what as people dey shout, mother dey cry.
Àwọn èèyàn tó pariwo ni
Hola, hola, hola. Hola, hola, hola.